Welcome back, you guys. This is Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. Today, I'm going to be taking you on an aerial tour of the subdivision of Palm Cove. Without further ado, let's get to it. As we're gaining some altitude, I just want to give you some quick little facts about Palm Cove. There's about 360 homes in here. There's both single detached and attached, like duplexes that are in here. It is part of Bay County, unincorporated, and the HOA and county guidelines are on the same page as far as short-term rentals here. They are allowed. Yes, short-term rentals are allowed by both the HOA and Bay County. Although a lot of people think that this is within Panama City Beach limits, this subdivision is actually part of Bay County. As far as what is available as far as inventory, there's 6 active homes that are available for purchase here. You can see we're really close to the beach, and Palm Cove is right next door to this new development. This is Moonraker right next door. We're really close to Shipwreck Island Water Park. Directly behind us from the camera's view at the moment is a shopping center with a Tuscan grill that is just being put in, and a great breakfast spot called Another Broken Egg. So you got Beef O'Brady's right around the corner, walking distance to the bowling alley and some other great restaurants. But really what it's all about here, in my opinion, is the proximity to the beach and having the flexibility to be able to do short-term rentals. The average selling price in the last 24 months here was $205,000, but that's a combination of both attached and detached homes. So the peak selling price that we saw in here was $242,000, and that was for a detached. Average days on market right now is 23. So with 24 homes selling in here in the last 12 months and 6 currently active and available, that gives us absorption rate of 3. So yes, there's only 6 available in here right now, but if you're thinking about listing or selling your property, just expect that there is, the velocity of movement in here is about to turn over every 3 months based off of last year's statistics and what's currently available. Again, very close to the beach. We got Shipwreck Island Water Park. I mentioned that already, just straight ahead in the upper left of the screen. And we're very close to the Miller County Pier, where there's a huge parking lot, and it's one of the most convenient places close by to actually park, take your things, take your lawn chairs, and go down to the beach. While you're at it on this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if there's a subdivision that you would like to see a drone tour over, I like to fly only on sunny days like today, so please leave a comment so we can get some votes in on which subdivision will be next. Maybe it's the one you live in, maybe it's the one you're thinking about moving to. Hope I'm not making you dizzy. Oh, there I am. All right, you guys, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. We'll talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.